real life, my name's Olivia. So, obviously Olivia's here today. We're going to be learning some YouTube music. But for now, we're just going to be talking about it. And of course, one video in this, I'm going to be doing a baby barn video. Please check it out. I still need all the baby barn stuff be in here. The baby barn potty. Here. This is the back. This is the front. So so that's what I'm going to be doing here. But for now, that's what I'm going to be doing. My dad found this 2 years ago. See it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? No, you can't. Can you see this little bracelet in here? This is supposed to be my mom's. See the number there? By default, you'll give it to me. So, talking about the music videos. Sorry, but still not doing them. But I need to do a couple of talking videos about it. I'm doing this really late, not just more than 3 hours after school. So all I'm gonna do, of course, is I'm gonna go downstairs and do a little baby video. So my video sounds good, but that's uploading everything. So we got a good little toy here. Quick So the music gets getting calm now. I'm just gonna be doing a couple of talking videos when I'm doing now I'm gonna do my YouTube video. So yeah. So please comment. So
we wondered why you disappeared. Well, I didn't think you'd be too chuffed if I'd thrown up all over the journalists, so I went home.
This isn't a talking video. I'm just going to be doing this. So what's all I got to say? First up is going to have my lips. So, bye.